Welcome to the Short Book Summaries channel. If you are new to this channel, kindly consider subscribing this channel to stay updated on each new book coming to this world. In case you like and want to buy this book, the link is given in the description below. Now enjoy the summary. Robert M. Pirsig's Zen and the Art of Motorcycle Maintenance is an examination of how we live, a meditation on how to live better set around the narration of a summer motorcycle trip across America's Northwest, undertaken by a father and his young son. According to family lore, my brother gave this book to my father when he, my brother, was in college. When my father read it, it apparently made a very deep impression on him, 'cause he turned around and bought 4 copies and gave one to each of his children. I refused to read it for years because my father gave it to me. Sometime after college though, I picked it up and read it for the first time, and, for the next 5 years, I read it once a year every June. Clearly, it made a very deep impression on me, too. Come to think of it, I should probably read it again this year. I love the narrative of the father/son motorcycle trip across the plains. I love the sub-narrative about Zen and quality and values. And I love the theme of integration, how it all comes together in the end. Plus, it shed a little light onto my father's psyche and experience. He named his last sailboat Chautauqua, for Pete's sake.